from percentages. In a library, 20% of the books are in Hindi, 50% of the remaining books are in English, and 30% of the remaining books are in French. Always underline the keyword, it will be helpful to you to solve the question. The remaining 6,300 books are in regional languages. You should find the total number of books in a library. Total means already we have told, if you see any keyword in a question, total, maximum, original, monthly salary, this will be equal to 100%. So total books, assume it is 100%. Out of 100, 20% are in Hindi. Remove it. What is 20% of 100? That is 20. 100 minus 20, that is 80. 50% of the remaining books are in English. 80 is remaining. In that 50% means half of. What is 50%? Listen, in percentages, we should learn the relationship between fractions and percentages. 1 means 100%, 1 by 2 means 50%, 1 by 3 means 33.33, 1 by 4 means 25, 1 by 5 means 20%, 1 by 6 means 16.66, 1 by 7 means 14.28, 1 by 8 means 12.5, 1 by 9 means 11.11, 1 by 10 means 10%. These basics we should learn. These concepts and all we will first give before starting the classes. Okay. Then 50% of 80 or half of 80, that is 40. 80 minus 40 is 40. Then 30% of the remaining are in French. For 40, what is 30%? First you find 10%, then it is easy to find 30%. 10% of 40 means 4, 20% of 40 means 8, 30% of 40 means that is 12. 40 minus 12, 28%. Finally, you left out with 28%. Then read that one. The remaining 6,300 books are in regional languages, means this 28% is nothing but 6,300 books. So you should find total books in the library, that will be equal to 100%. Horizontally you can cancel if you find any common factors. Vertically 2. So 28 and 63, it looks like it is a multiple of 7. 7 4s are 7 9s are 63, 00. Then 4 1s are 4 25s are 1% means it is equal to 900 books. Then 25% means how many books? 25 into 900. You should know the tables very well. Tables you should learn from 1 to 20 and 25th table, square numbers from 1 to 25 and cube numbers from 1 to 15. It is more than enough. 25 9s are 225 followed by 20. Therefore, how many books are there in the library? Total books is equal to 22,500. That is option D is the correct answer. This question easily can be solved in X method. How to solve? Listen here. In the question, there is keyword remaining. So this method is called as remaining concept. How to solve means we should solve this remaining concept in X method. How means assume total number of books as X. In that 20% are in Hindi, right? This is remaining concept. Just write remaining part, remaining percentage. What is 100 minus 20? 80%. That is 80 by 100. Then 50%. Just write remaining 50% only. That is 50% means 50 by 100. 30% remaining is 100 minus 30. That is 70%. 70 by 100. After all these deductions, the left out books is 6,300. If you observe carefully, in numerator 3 zeros, cancel it. Denominator 30, you cancel it. And see 7 1s are 7 9s are 63, 00. Then x into 8 into 5 divided by 1 followed by 3 zeros is equal to 900. Then 5 1s are 5, 4 remainder 0, 5 8s are 40, then 0. After this 8 and 180, see multiple of 8 is not divisible by 180 is not divisible by 8. So 4 2s are 8, 4 4s are 16, 2 remainder 0, 4 5s are. then 2x is equal to 45 into 1000, 45,000. X is equal to half of 45,000, that is 22,500. We know what is X. X is nothing but total books. So, to do simplification, you should know tables very well, learn tables correctly. So, option D will be the correct answer.